I want to share with you one super valuable tip about leveraging ChatGPT to make sure that you've done this for yourself when you're leveraging it. So I'm going to share my screen right here. And this is all around how do I get ChatGPT to sound more like me and understand who I am more. So what I want you to do, you go to chatgpt.com. I'm using the paid version here. Definitely worth it, getting the best tech. And you click on your little icon right here, and it's going to say Customize ChatGPT. You click on this, and there's a thing called the custom instructions. And what this does is it gives you the opportunity to let ChatGPT know who you are and how you want it to respond. And I can definitely share in the comments what I've put exactly so that you can both see it or copy and paste into yours and just update it for what you're doing. But the first thing here says, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide a better response? And for this, there's some very simple things. Number one, who you are and who you help and what your brand voice is. So those are the three things. So for example, I'm a world-class personal growth and high performance coach. I help, boom, here it is. And I wrote down to this. Here's 10 high-level categories for my coaching. So you can see very specifically what I'm telling you about this. And then I say, here's my brand voice. If you've never created a brand voice before, write down 5 or 10 things that you sound like. Personable, engaging, conversational, wise, can take large concepts and make them simple to understand. This is the things that you are giving ChatGPT to better understand you. And then once again, here's my target demographic. In this part down here, I'm going to recommend where it says, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? I recommend you just copy and paste what I put in or use that as your version 1.0 if you've never done it before. Essentially, this is all around making it easier to read. That way you can take action better, because one of the challenges of ChatGPT can be, it can be very wordy, or it can be very vague, or it can be a lot, or it can be a little. So let's tune that in. And including this is, hey, words to never use, because there's some AI speak that you'll pick up as you start using ChatGPT. So go in here, and once again, I'll just wrap that up. Create your custom instructions. Click on this here, customize ChatGPT, fill in both of these things. It will drastically change the way that you use ChatGPT. Promise you, or promise me, if you are using ChatGPT right now, go in there right now and do this if you have not added your custom instructions. Very few people actually tell you that you should do this because they don't even know it exists. But this is the thing that unlocks everything for it to be better for you. If you've got any questions about AI or ChatGPT, drop them below in the comments, or if we haven't connected before, let's make sure to jump on a call and talk about how we can support each other.